Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will share a family recipe called Ghee Muri or ghee puffed rice. This mom's recipe is a snack that goes very well with tea and coffee. It's very simple, tasty, and can be prepared at a very short time. If you like this recipe, then please click the like, subscribe, and bell icons and leave a comment below. The ingredients we need are puffed rice or muri, 1½ cups, ghee 1/4 teaspoon, white sugar 1 teaspoon, grated coconut as per taste, optional. To make ghee muri, first fry the puffed rice in ghee and sugar. For that, heat a pan, add the puffed rice about 1½ cups, add about 1/4 teaspoon of ghee and about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well, stir frequently for 2 to 3 minutes in medium to low heat or till the sugar caramelizes and the puffed rice looks brownish. Add some grated coconut, mix well and serve hot. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.